Boy has it been one busy fall season so far. All the major players in the smartphone space have announced their offerings for the upcoming holiday season, including Huawei, who is banking on the Mate 10 Pro to make a splash stateside. On paper, Huawei's high-end is looking like a solid contender, but it is surely going to face stiff competition from direct rivals in this space: the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, LG V30, Google Pixel 2 XL, and Apple iPhone X, to name a few. So let's find out how the Huawei Mate 10 Pro will fit into the mix. Battery life. Longevity is something you'll get with the Huawei Mate 10 Pro's battery performance, allowing it to easily achieve 2 days of normal usage. This proves the point that bigger is better, as it boasts a 4000 mAh battery cell, which is well above the sub-3500 mAh capacities of its rivals. Complementing its battery prowess, it supports Huawei's supercharged technology, which can charge the battery up to the 58% mark in 30 minutes. Indeed, that's something useful if you're in a rut. Call quality. Phone calls pose no problems at all for the Huawei Mate 10 Pro, delivering a well-rounded performance. Through the speaker, voices tends to be mostly audible, but we find that we're required to mash it against our ear in order for sufficient tones to pass through. On the other end of the line, our callers mention nothing but clear and distinctive tones, even in noisy environments. Switching over to the speakerphone, there's a strong volume level for us to conduct conversations. There's also the omnidirectional speaker, which leverage the microphones on the phone for either a directional 120-degree focus, or 360-degree coverage. Conclusion. US pricing for the Huawei Mate 10 Pro has yet to be revealed, but overseas in Europe, it's slapped with a €799 cost, which is the equivalent of $930. While the Mate 10 Pro's price in the US should be lower due to Europe's higher tax rates, it is surely going to be one expensive phone. On its own, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro is a refreshing new player. With its premium design, long-lasting battery and incredible snapshot performance, the Mate 10 Pro can surely compete with some of the best out there. And for Huawei, this is a dramatically improved model over its predecessor, adopting many of the cool trends we've grown to appreciate, like its water-resistant construction, 18:9 screen aspect ratio, and dual camera system. Ultimately, we can say that Huawei has done enough to sell the Mate 10 as a strong competitor in the space, but we wouldn't necessarily go as far as to say that it has enough distinction to overpower the majority of the bunch out there. Get it primarily if you're looking for a fabulous camera for still shots and a long battery life.